Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we've got our Boxycharm Premium unboxing. This month is the Fenty Beauty Takeover, so I'm super excited about that because I've never tried anything by Fenty Beauty, so I'm excited to have like a lot of Fenty Beauty to try. I do know everything we're getting in this box, I just don't know what colors I got, so let's go ahead and jump in. Opening the box, looks like this. Ooh, it says Boxycharm X Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, I believe is what it says on there. And then we do get our little card here. We're not gonna peek at that quite yet, even though I already know everything in here, so I guess we can. But here are the products. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and set this up here and pray that doesn't fall. So the first thing in here is a matchstick by Fenty Beauty. This one retails for $25. It says a magnetized makeup stick and a longwear light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This longwear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Included shades may vary. $25. I got the shade Unicorn, so it looks like it's going to be a pretty purpley shade. I do like purples, especially on the eyes. They're my favorite color to wear on the eyes. Oh, this is cute. It's like a nude packaging and it's like a hexagon, octagon, pentagon. One of the gons. I think it's hexagon. I don't know. It's been a while since I've been in school. Doesn't really have a scent. Yeah, it is definitely a very purpley shade. Oh, my hand is stained. Please ignore that. Right there. Ooh. It's a lot more subtle than I thought it would be. That's pretty. Okay, yes, I'm excited about that. I love monochromatic purple looks where I do like a purple highlight, purple lip, that kind of thing. So I think that would be really pretty. My hand and arm is stained from the last video I did, which was this eyeshadow look. Next we have the Gloss Bomb. I'm pretty sure everybody got the same shade in this, Diamond Milk. Really pretty. This says, the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with exclusive shine that feels as good as it looks in shade Diamond Milk, a dewy highlighter for your lips. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is an essential finishing touch to your Fenty face. $19. So yes, everyone got the shade Diamond Milk. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells like fruity gum, but like also a candle. It smells like Bath and Body Works. That is a very pretty. Oh, yes, okay. Milky white glossy shades are my favorite lip gloss shades to wear. I don't really wear lip gloss too often. I am wearing one right now though, so that's exciting. I want to talk about that last, so we're gonna ignore that for now. What are you? Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle. Oh, I have tried something by Fenty Beauty actually. I have one of these already. I have tried something, I lied. This retails for $18. All moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket perfect lipstick with a longwear petal soft matte finish, available in a rainbow of weightless color and 10 shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. Included shades may vary. $18. Oh, I got the shade Clapback. I think it's like a blacky shade. So pretty packaging though. I have tried these, they're really nice. I have a purple one. Oh, it's blue actually. I thought it was black for some reason. That's really pretty and I really like this formula. I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably not gonna get a lot of wear out of this shade, but I will definitely try it and maybe I'll fall in love with blue lips, but I doubt it. Next thing in here is, oh yeah, I'm not excited about this one, I won't lie. This is the, what are you called? Invisimatte blotting paper. It retails for $16. This is for like if you have oily skin and you need to like touch up your makeup throughout the day. You get these little blotting powders. Looks like this. I'm actually not going to open this because I'm not going to use it, so I don't want to be wasteful. I'm going to stop. I know in like all my Ipsies and my Boxycharms and everything, I swatch everything, but it just seems so wasteful because like a lot of the things I wind up not using and then they're like swatched and people don't want them. So I think I'm going to be more mindful of that. And if it's like a single shadow or something I know like that I'm not going to have a use for, I'm going to stop swatching them. So I hope that doesn't make you guys mad, but I need to stop. So this is by Fenty Beauty, obviously. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. I think everybody got Trophy Wife, if I remember. Light up where you want, when you want with this weightless longwear cream powder hybrid highlighter in the iconic shade Trophy Wife, $36. So yes, this is like the intense yellow gold shade. Again, something I don't know if I'll get a lot of wear out of, but I'm swatching all of these because I want to do a full face of Fenty. So I'm not gonna like go out and buy another lipstick when I already have one, or another highlighter when I already have one. So that's why I'm swatching all of these, except for the blotting papers, because I don't need those. So this is what this looks like. So pretty. You do get a mirror. Let's feel. Ooh. And this, even though I think it's going to be super intense, yes it is, I can still use this on the eyes. And I might still use this on the eyes. Yeah, this is really pretty. I like this. I like this one a lot, actually. Okay. Oh, so pretty. And the last thing in here is this. This is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. $29. The highlighter is more than this eyeshadow palette. That makes 0 sense. That's okay. I'm very excited about this. I almost purchased this when it came out. I don't know why I didn't, but I didn't. And I'm happy I didn't now because now I have it. But oh, so pretty. I love the purpley pink smoke on the front. Packaging is stunning. Everybody got this as well. I think the only things that you could have got different were like the matchstick and the lipstick were different shades, but everything else is the same for every box. Here's what it looks like. There are the shades. Shade names are on the back. I don't love that, you guys know. If you've seen any of my videos ever, that is my biggest complaint with palettes, is when they don't put the shades on the actual palette, like where the shades are, because I don't know, I'm complaining. But we'll swatch a couple of these. Ooh, let's swatch this white shimmery shade. We're gonna go for the metallic blue. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Now let's do a matte. Let's go for this matte purpley shade, of course. Ooh, that blue though. Oh my goodness. Yes, I feel like not a lot of people talk about this palette, but I'm excited to try it. So yeah, that's everything, you guys. That's everything in the premium Fenty box. I don't know if like the smaller box, because I get the premium one and then I have the Boxy Luxe one. Don't have that yet. It should be here Tuesday, I think. Today's Sunday when I'm filming. But I don't know if you're gonna get like Fenty products in all of them. I think it's just this one. But yeah, that's everything, you guys. Let me know what your favorite Fenty product is, if you've tried anything by Fenty, that kind of thing. And don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.